Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be covering of ITIL V3 Foundation topic. So ITIL is basically an information technology infrastructure library V3 Foundation, which is an entry-level certification that provides a comprehensive understanding of the IT service management, ITSM best practices. It focuses on aligning IT services with business needs through a structured lifecycle approach. So it covers key concepts which is of service life cycle stages. First is service strategy, second is service design, third is service transition, fourth is service operation, fifth one is continual service improvement. And its core principle are basically to deliver value to customer and have a process based approach to manage the IT services, and it consists of different levels of roles, functions and responsibilities, and it will help us to manage the incident, problem, change, and service request through an effective manner. An objective of ITIL is to equip professional with knowledge of ITIL terminology, processes, and how to improve service quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe my channel.